Welcome back to another episode on Subject-Verb Agreement. In our previous video, we had delved deeper into different rules of Subject-Verb Agreement. Today, we are going to do the same. We are going to find out what other rules are associated with Subject-Verb Agreement. So, let's begin. Now, subjects that express a single amount or a single quantity are usually treated as singular. For example, 5 miles is a long distance. $20 buys a nice meal. So here it has been used as a single unit. 5 miles is not considered as 5 separate miles, but as a single unit. Dollar here, $20, this quantity is used as a single unit. So here we are using the singular verb. Moving forward, suppose if we have titles of books or movies where a single title consists of several words or is expressing a plural word, we use singular verb in such sentences. For example, To Kill a Mockingbird is an excellent novel. Hummingbirds was a nice movie. See how I am applying the verb in these sentences, because hummingbirds, though it is plural, it is still indicating a particular movie, a single movie. Moving forward, there are some nouns that end with s, right? They give an appearance of being plural, but we always use singular verb with them. For example, news is important to stay updated. With news, we always use singular. Physics is my favorite subject, right? In these kinds of nouns, since we are indicating one subject in case of physics, and for news, though it's plural, we always use it with singular verb. Now let us move forward to the next rule. For example, if I have a subject which is separated or divided by a phrase or phrases such as along with, besides, in such cases they do not form the part of the subject. Hence, we use the singular verb. For example, the king along with his ministers is visiting today. Swami as well as his friends is going for a picnic near the Sarayu river. I hope these explorations are interesting to you. I hope the rules are clear and you will get a better idea of subject-verb agreement from now on. If you like my work, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting brief grammar lessons. Please stay tuned. I will meet you all again in the next video. Thank you for watching.